If you need to remove a sheet password on a macro-enabled workbook, you might just get lucky with the method I'm about to show you. So let's say we've got this spreadsheet here, and you can see you try and change anything, you've got a message coming up saying it's protected, can't do anything, so it's clearly protected at the moment. Now the first thing is it, look up here, is it an xlsm file? In other words, does it have macros? Because if it does, it's always worth checking the code to see if the password's been given away. Push Alt F11, you go into the VBA Editor, and in here there's likely to be, find your file, so protected sheet 1 in this case, go to one of the modules. Now there might be several modules, so you have to check each one independently. And what you're looking for, so there's a ton of code in here, but if I just push Control F to search, and I'm going to search for protect, okay, find next, and there you go, straight away we found a piece of code that says, and this is exactly what you're looking for, active sheet.unprotect. Now it might not be active sheet, might be something else, .unprotect, and there you go, afterwards will be the password. And this is a total schoolboy error that I've seen happen time and time again. People write VBA code which needs to alter protected sheets, so they just simply code in the removal of the password, and I expect if I did another search I'll find the password being put back on at the end of the code. Happens all the time. If you find it, it's fantastic. You've now got the password and you can just type it straight in and unlock the sheet. So if that applies, you're on to a winner. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe for plenty more tips and tricks on Up for Excel, and I'll see you soon.